Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Sheila. And if you want to take your wings to the next level, you need to try this recipe.
Oh, it is so good. Talk about hot and sweet all in one.
Ooh, it's good.
And just fall off the bone. Wait until you try it. So we're going to take you over and we're going to show you what we do. So we are starting out by making our rub seasoning.
We're using 2 tablespoons brown sugar.
Make sure you remove any of the clumps that might be in the brown sugar.
Now we are adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper.
We'll just sprinkle that in.
And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. Steve believed in those 2 right there, didn't he?
Mm-hmm. And this mixture of seasonings is so good together on this chicken. And then we've got
1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin.
We stack these and get these out of the way. And finally,
that's 1 teaspoon of chili powder.
Gotta have some chili powder. And that's gonna give these wings a little kick.
Yeah.
So we are gonna mix that all together until it's completely combined. Sometimes that brown sugar will stick together. So just make sure that you get all those clumps out. That whisk and whisk that up. Not that the chicken's gonna care, but
Chicken couldn't care less.
The chicken could care less.
He quit caring a long time ago.
Yeah. And then I pre-greased the crock pot, and I've got some mustard. Got my gloves on.
Yes.
So we're just gonna coat.
About 2 tablespoons of mustard.
Yeah, just enough to coat these wings here. So I'm gonna coat both sides of the wings. And this is kind of like what we do with our ribs. You know, we put this mustard on there, which helps break down the meat, and it helps that seasoning,
yes,
you know, stay on the chicken. And hey guys, don't forget to give us that thumbs up and leave us a comment. It really helps our channel grow in a big way, so we appreciate you. So then we're going to sprinkle our seasoning over the top of the chicken, our rub.
Look at all that seasoning. It smells good. Make sure you get both sides of the chicken.
Yep.
Not just one side.
That's right. We'll get both sides. I'll just flip these over a little bit. Make sure we're getting all that in there. Got my glove on.
Of course. Look at what a mess you'd make out of your hands if you didn't.
Oh, I know. So now that we got all that seasoning in there, then we're going to melt some of this butter and we're going to add some honey to it. And before we do that, we're going to
add 3/4 cups of hot sauce. We're going to be using Frank's
original.
Yes.
And then I took that melted butter and I added that honey to it, which is going to help it come out of this cup,
bowl.
This measuring cup here. So we're just going to pour that in.
Good to the last drop.
That's right. Get that honey in there. And finally,
1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And whip that up. Because you don't want any clumps in that brown sugar.
mm-mm.
And pour that over the top of the chicken.
That's some good flavor right there.
Mm-mm.
And then we're going to take about 3 more tablespoons of butter and just kind of place them around the chicken in there.
All that magic butter.
Mm-hmm. Everything's better with butter. Cover it up. And I'm going to program this for about 2 hours on high. And if you want to cook it slower, you can do 3 to 4 hours on low. Just want to make sure that internal temp reaches 165. And let's check it out. Looks good. It's even
good.
fogging up the camera.
Yes. Ooh, smells good.
So we just lined a baking sheet here with some foil. And we're just going to take these wings out of here, place them on there, because we got one more step. So we're going to make
A slurry.
with some cornstarch and some water. And then I'm going to take some of that good, yummy juice out of that crock pot, and we're going to mix that together. Yeah, we'll baste this right on top of that chicken. Not only does it add flavor, it adds a nice pretty color.
It does.
And if you let this sit just a little bit longer and let it cool down, it's going to thicken up as it cools. And you'll have a little bit thicker baste if you want to make more like sticky wings. But we're just going to go ahead and put this on now because this is the way we like them. So now that we got this all basted up,
now we're going in the oven with this.
We're going to broil it for about 5 minutes. So keep an eye on it and don't let it burn.
Look at that. Look how fast that works.
Look. Now it's all got the crispiness on the outside. Guys, these are like fall off the bone tender.
Okay.
You got Steve's famous ranch dressing there, but you can use blue cheese or whatever you like. Look at that. So tender. Wait until you taste the flavor of these.
Well, that's my dish. Where's yours?
Who says that's your dish?
That's mine.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. Do you want to split?
Okay, let's just split it.
Okay, we'll split. As Steve would say, are these the best
honey buffalo wings you've ever tried? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.